Welcome everyone to our 2024 Mobile Drill International Demo Day.
We're here at Mobile Drill and we make drill rig equipment and tooling. And today we get to see everything in action and the latest and greatest things we're bringing out.
What I'm most proud of at Mobile Drill's Demo Day today is the crowd that we had. We had people show up all the way from Mexico to Spain, Germany, and then all over around the States.
Today we're showcasing the numerous rigs that we have available, from the small Nordmeyer all the way up to the bigger B57.
I'm here because I love to learn about the makers of the machine that we use. Mobile Drill is the best drilling machine that we can buy in Mexico. The Mobile Drill B25 presentation, I love that part. Yeah, I love the mud mixer, I love it. It's new stuff for me, and I'm gonna show to all my partners in Mexico.
We just had a really good time and a lot of learning, a lot of ideas that we exchanged back and forth. Take the knowledge from the field from your customers and actually bring it to the reality, because at the end of the day, they're gonna use that machine. So it's something that they will like. That's what we wanna make. We are always there when you need. If you provide quality and support to your customers, you're gonna get those customers back.
Our entire shop is out here, and I want to thank them. This is the strongest staff we've ever had at my 12 years at Mobile Drill. We are monsters in the shop, and we can get a lot done for you guys.
My name is Steve Morris, and I've been here 47 years. Working here is more like working with a family, not a big company. Mobile Drill's been around a long time, and we're going to be around a lot longer.
As an employee, Mobile Drill Demo Day is good for me to, one, see the equipment that we build. I can talk to customers and get feedback on what they think of our drills and learn how we can better build the drills.
I want to know not only the good, I want to know if there's something they think we can change. That feedback gives us the knowledge to make the product better for the driller. I had a customer here today. He said, well, could you put a rod holder over here? Can you put a skid plate on this? Can you put a bolt holder over here? I said, yep, let me write that down. It's the feedback that is going to push us forward. The industry is changing and we have to keep up to it, and we're showcasing that today.
So one thing that has not changed is our commitment to the customer. We've really decreased the amount of time it takes from a customer request or change to actually bringing it to fruition, bringing it to market, putting it into the field, and allowing them to use it. The goal is always to make our customers' lives easier, safer. That's what we want to do. We want to make the best products in the market. To do that, it's a lot of hard work and a lot of communication.